Well, the Canadian Gay and Lesbian Chamber of Commerce has knocked it out of the park. Have you seen the start of their conference that just began this week? And it's all virtual for the entire 5 days. And so they started out and with some incredible welcome speech from their Prime Minister and so forth. And let's take a look.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 2020 Digital LGBT Plus Global Business Summit. First, a big thank you to Canada's LGBT Plus Chamber of Commerce for organizing this event and bringing us all together online. This is an opportunity for us all to celebrate our LGBTQ2 businesses and continue to talk about the importance of having diverse voices and leaders in our business community. Here in Canada, we believe in economic diversity, and that allyship is essential to our collective success. We know how important LGBTQ2 businesses are to the Canadian economy, and that's why we will continue to offer support as we begin to reopen from the COVID-19 crisis. And together, we will continue to push for progress within our business communities to create a more welcoming environment for LGBTQ2 entrepreneurs and build a more open, accepting, and inclusive society. Over the next 5 days, I hope you take the opportunity to learn from each other and connect with other LGBTQ2 business and corporations across the country and around the world. But let's also take the time to celebrate the incredible work you do every day to advance the LGBTQ2 community and diversity. Have a wonderful summit. Thank you all so very much.
That are happening right here in Ontario. I know that you would much rather be gathering in person to compare notes and share innovative ideas, but these unprecedented times have allowed our entrepreneurs and innovators to become even more creative and more resourceful in adapting to the new environment we face. You're finding opportunities to not only build or rebuild your businesses, but to inspire one another. It's that kind of spirit, the Ontario spirit, that will get us through these difficult times. Thank you for continuing to be trailblazers in Ontario and beyond. Enjoy the rest of the summit, and God bless.
And of course, then can't help ourselves. We had to pop into some of the sessions and see how things were going. And in fact, there's even one that we were able to pop into that's from our local here, Robin Dillard here from New York.
Forgive me for being a little self-serving. I publish a diversity publication focused on LGBTQ plus owned businesses and professionals and discussion. And I think it's really a good idea for organizations and small businesses to put themselves out there, to put their story out there. I don't know, Peter, when you're learning about companies and they're on your portal, what kinds of things help you to understand who they are? Do you read places, or do you just based on meeting people out there? I mean, where else and what else are you looking to know about a company besides the widget that they make or the service that they provide?
Yeah, one of the things that I always want to know is, it's more like when I talk to suppliers, to businesses, because what I in my experience from talking to businesses is, everybody wants to do business with a company like Accenture.
Yes.
Yeah. But before you start talking to me, do you understand Accenture? Do you think? Yeah. Do you know what? Do you have an idea what Accenture does, and have you have an idea about how can I help that company? Accenture is a company, like if there's a technical innovation, we think about how we can use that technical innovation for any client, whether it's a client in the food business or a client in aviation. How can we use that?
Well, we're really looking forward to checking out the rest of the week. So to Darrell Schuurman and Bruce McDonald, you guys have done an incredible job, and I look forward to seeing how everything comes together here this week. Thank you.